Hey, happy Tuesday, 8th graders. Can you believe it? This is your last traditional assignment as an 8th grade historian. Can't believe it. We are going to finish the Industrial Revolution today, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, so let's dive back into the Industrial Revolution. Could you open your books to page 299? Hit pause if you need to. Page 299. Let me give you a couple instructions that will help you with this assignment. Use your index finger on the top of page 299, point to agriculture grows. You're going to read just that page. So it's 4 paragraphs. And as you read, you need to read carefully, and as you read, you're going to fill in the blanks with the ideas that you learned from page 299. Let me give you this tip. These are ideas from the reading. It is not necessarily word for word from the book. A lot of times when I give you video notes, they're word for word from the video. These are more like ideas that you learn from the reading. So what I would recommend doing is read paragraph 1 and then look at the fill in the blanks and fill those in of paragraph 1. Then read paragraph 2 and then fill in paragraph 2 blanks. All right, there's one little tricky one that's kind of a bigger idea. If you need to, save it to the end and see what are left in the word bank. That's a good strategy back from your elementary days. But I did include a word bank if that is helpful. Next, point to the 2 graphs on the bottom of page 299. You have a pie chart and a bar graph. You're going to interpret that data and then answer these 2 questions. Next, turn the page to 300 and 301. Point to economic independence. Okay, you're going to read those 2 pages carefully, and then as you go, you are going to mark these statements as true or false. They go in order, so just read until you find an answer. Mark it true or false. If it's false, you need to change it to make it true, and then read till you find the next one. They go right in order. Read carefully. Finally, you're going to watch this video about the Industrial Revolution. The revolution continues into the 1800s because they continue to get new inventions, communication expands, transportation expands. All of these things affect the economic growth of America. So watch this. I think it's 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes, and then answer these questions as you go. And then finally, check the Google Meet schedule and directions posted in today's to-do list. I am still updating this list as your requests and assignments come in. So, but take a look at this. These are the people that are signed up for the live meet, so you can scroll down and find your name. And then I'm taking everybody's questions and condensing that. Just like we did the last time, you're going to go to meet.google.com, join with the nickname, and our nickname this time is Mayor Paul. Text me on Wednesday morning if you're having troubles getting in. Hints for joining, please join about 10:20 a.m. Find a quiet spot in your house and change to grid view. So here's all instructions for those of you being at the live Google Meet. If you are not at the live one, I will post the recording at around 11:15, which is later than most assignments get up. I will have a little assignment for you to do as you watch the Google Meet with Mayor Paul. And then those of you in the live Google Meet, you will not have an assignment. What an opportunity we have. This is such a privilege for us to, our mayor is super busy, guys, and he is taking time out for us. How awesome is that? So exciting. It's not too late to join in. Let me know. Otherwise, here are your instructions for that. Read carefully, write carefully. Last assignment today. Tomorrow, our exciting Google Meet with Mayor Paul, and then we'll do something to wrap up quickly on Thursday so you can get to your summer vacation. All right? Hey, last time I'm probably going to say this, but work hard, have fun, contact me with questions.